Howdy guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at where to locate the upgrades you've purchased. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, if we head back to the tutorial here. Now, after we have actually bought our upgrades and it is ready, what will happen is they will actually email you a upgrade link where you can find your upgrades. Now, depending on obviously the email you've set it up with them, they will email you to that or email the link to that email. Now, after you've clicked the link, it might bring you to a page looking something like this, where we've got the CNC Utilities website. So if I just zoom here, you can see that. So, okay, my zoom is currently not working nicely. There we go, cnc.co.za. Then it should also say here on the page upgrades. Now what you can do is you can simply wheel mouse down and you can see we've got some content here we can look at. Now yours obviously won't, or most probably won't have as many different options as mine. I think I've got just about everything here, but you might have only perhaps the Pro, or maybe the Pro HVAC. Then you might potentially have the Ultimate or all functions. That all depend on what you purchased, and that will be under your actual link. So just keep in mind, only the first time you actually buy the program will they send you a link. So it's a good idea to keep a copy of that link, or should I say keep that email safe, so at any time you can quickly go to your upgrades. Now another thing that could be worthwhile looking at is we've got this FabriCAM software upgrades.pdf. We've got a normal document as well. But I'm just gonna, if we open this PDF over here, they give you just some basic options on where you can find the latest version of the program. That's pretty much what we did earlier. Then they can also have this link here that if you open it will pretty much give you some of the FabriCAM videos that we cover. So if you want to look how to update or upgrade or most other things like the features of the program, you can also find it here, other than going to softwaretraining.co.za. and then under that they basically just inform you that you have a lifetime free upgrade on software version with new features within your package. Please remember to subscribe, notifications at. I would recommend doing this if you're not already subscribed. So what you can do is, I'm going to open this link here so you can just see what's happening. So you're going to basically be typing in your email on top. You don't have to worry about this side. This is more for quotes or for them to call you back. So on this one here, we've got your email or email address. So this is the one you want to subscribe to. So when there's any of your latest updates available, it will give it to you over here. Then you can just simply go through the list of the programs you're looking for to be or to inform you about. So obviously we'll be going to FabriCAM, so important messages from FabriCAM software clients. Should I say software clients. If I zoom in here, you can see we've got this little subscribe button. Simply click that and then they will notify you if there's anything or any news worthy of note. But and then obviously we've got the actual process of updating your program, which we'll be covering in the next video. You can obviously just run it from the manual if you're comfortable with that, but we'll be covering it just in case. But before we do that, you obviously want to select the version you want and just download it. I'm just going to go here, all functions, so for the tutorials it will make more sense. And then make sure once again you select the latest version of it. So as we can see over here under the Pro, we've got a few different versions, but like once again keep in mind the bottom one is normally the latest one. So as we can see here, we've got a 1812, here's a 1817. So this one's clearly later than the previous one. So make sure you grab the latest one, download it, and it should just throw it in your default downloads folder, depending on the web browser you use. But yeah, otherwise that is it on locating your updates or upgrades, should I say, that you've purchased. And then yeah, in the next video we'll be looking at actually installing it. But yeah, before that, if we head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and you can also isolate your search on the top right. If you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for, just simply go here, request the training video, fill in the mini form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. Otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.